Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Tea&Art. I hope you all are well. So today I will be creating this Larimar effect, and it has been viral on Instagram for quite some time now. So I wanted to make it myself, and I did try a lot of time and I got a lot of fails. It has such a beautiful and mesmerizing effect, as you can see, and the depths and the effect that it creates, really amazing. So I really fell in love with it, and I might be trying it in different colors as well, but I wanted to go with the Larimar first. So let's start. So what you need is, for white I'm using Casting Craft, and for blue I'm using this transparent pigment. It's blue transparent pigment and black pigment paste. So this is my mold, and I have few tutorials on how I make these mold with the silicone putty. So I made another one. So what I did here is I added Casting Craft to my resin. So first layer is going to be white. I will be showing you two ways to make this Larimar effect. So just making my mold clean. So I'm pouring my white first. So this is really such a beautiful effect when I see it all the time on Instagram, and so many beautiful colors and designs were made in this technique. So in both techniques, I will be pouring the white first. So actually this is white is the one that cracks up and create these veins. So it's a lot like the crackle effect or the dragon scale, you can say, but really different results. Totally different result, you can say. So after adding my white, I will be removing all these air bubbles. Just a little piece of blue wandering in there. So now I have added black pigment paste to my resin here. And now I will be pouring it in the outer edges. It really amazes me that sometimes you are doing the same techniques by pouring the resin outside. We do in a lot of various coaster designs, but they always have different outcomes. And after that, I will be pouring the blue, and this is a transparent blue here. So into the center, I'm adding the clear resin now. So for the resin, I'm using a low viscosity resin here, not the high, not the medium, it's the low viscosity. So just pouring all my resin into the center that's been left over. And now into the center, I'm adding the gold foil. So again, you can add, so whatever you like, you can add the gold foil, you can add beads, you can add crystals. Sky is the limit, really up to you. So these are again the experimental reasons that I'm showing you here. I was not hoping for getting the effect, but this was one of the first one that I got it. So yeah. So you should record everything. Sometimes I do not record because I get, you can say, sad or in a depression mode that I'm not getting the effect. So I just do them in my workshop, and sometimes I do get results, but I do not film it, so that's why I don't show them. So now just removing the air bubbles with the heat gun, with the torch, sorry, and I will leave this to cure. So now on to the second one, and what I'm doing here is I have mixed my casting craft into the resin here, and I'm just mixing it, and the first layer is going to be white again. So now this time, instead of pouring outside, I am pouring the black resin into the center. Just a bit of shaking while pouring, and I just poured it instantly, not waiting at all. And now I am adding the blue. Same technique, pouring it all at once. And now I am adding the rest of the resin into the center. It's clear resin. And now I'm adding the gold foils again. As it's a low viscosity resin, you can see it's closing up, so I need to act quickly here. So I will leave it to cure. So now we will be demolding both of them. First, I remove it from the tray. So I got some of the resin spilled out, so it's not a big of an issue, just I will simply remove it. So this is the effect I got with the first technique, and I was in love with it. So on to the other one now. So I have showed you two techniques here, so you can see the bottom of them are different. First one has a different bottom and this one has a different one. So this is the effect. Wow, oh my god, really, I was screaming, and this was, so I really love it. I have no words, but let's see how they turned out after doing the top coat. So this is after doing the top coat, and I think I went into the sea. This is I have captured so the Larimar stone into my hands. Art on a very extreme level, I can say, but so amazing. I thought I share with you this technique. It's so wonderful, and I hope you will be enjoying making it. And next time I will be trying different colors. If you have any color in your mind, please do let me know in comments. I will be trying them. Like, subscribe, and share. Thumbs up if you like the video, and if you haven't subscribed, please consider do so, because I do try a lot of different techniques. And so this is from Mixed Media Art. Take good care of yourself. Bye bye.